Hello students, in this video you will find ICSE reduced syllabus for class 10 and class 9 for the examination 2021 only in chemistry. I am telling you. First, let us see about class 9 where which part in the syllabus is removed. Chapter number 1 is their language of chemistry. There no change. You have to prepare this chapter nicely. Ions, radicals, formula of valency, writing formula of compounds, balancing chemical equation, that you will prepare. And second one chapter is there in this chemical changes and reactions, type of reaction, chemical changes and type of reactions. There you have to prepare, there is no change. 4 types of reactions. There direct combination, decomposition, double decomposition, displacement reaction, you will prepare. And energy change involved in a chemical reaction. That is in second chapter. This full you have to prepare. Third chapter is water chapter. In water chapter, this is big chapter. Here something is removed. Which part is removed there? Soft and hard water. You will prepare there many things, but only this part, soft and hard water, is removed from your syllabus for 2021. Causes of hardness, methods of removing hardness of water, it is not there. Second is atmospheric pollution. That chapter, atmospheric pollution is there, last chapter. In this chapter, number 8, atmospheric pollution is not there this time in your syllabus. For 2021 exam, atmospheric pollution you will not prepare. And other chapter like atomic structure there, chapter number 4. No changes there, that you have to prepare as it was before. Periodic table, chapter number 5. I told you, you have to prepare same, there is no change. In periodic table, everything prepared. Dobereiner triads, Newland's law of octave, and modern periodic law, Mendeleev's periodic law, that everything you have to prepare. And chapter number 6, study of the first element hydrogen. There is no change. You will prepare this chapter also as given in the syllabus. Study of gas laws, Boyle's law, Charles' law, numerical based on these laws. Standard temperature and pressure are NTP, normal temperature and pressure. That you will prepare. There is no change. Atmospheric pollution, I told you just chapter number 8. There is this chapter, this time is not there in your syllabus. Practical work, that is for internal assignment, that you practical video tutorial I am sending. You write in your practical copy, and when school will reopen, then you will do practical yourself also. But practical record you maintain, watch that video tutorial, take help of study material and write in your copy. That's all for class 9. Let us see for class 10. For class 10, first chapter is there, periodic table. Periodic properties, 2 parts only there in first chapter which you have to prepare. Don't confuse from everything given in your book there. Because there are only 2 things in the syllabus. First is periodic properties and their variation. As I have given you video tutorial, from that with the help of study material prepare. And second part is periodicity on the basis of atomic number. Up to period 3 in the periodic table, any question will not be asked beyond period 3 argon. Then you prepare these 2 parts which I have given you according to that syllabus. I have given you that video tutorial and study material. Chapter number 2 is there now. In chapter number 2, chemical bonding, there is no change. Ionic bond, covalent bond, coordinate bond, compounds, that you prepare whatever. Analytical chemistry, no change. 5 salt solution and action of the color of the salt, color of the solution, and action of sodium hydroxide solution and ammonium hydroxide solution on adding to the salt solution. 5 are there: calcium salt and lead salt, iron salt, and copper salt, zinc salt. Only these are there in your syllabus that you have to prepare. Mole concept. In this mole concept and stoichiometry parts are there. Chapter is big also here. Now a lot of you can say your pressure is removed. What is that? First is where you have to prepare in this chapter only vapor density and molecular mass. 2 into vapor density equal to molecular mass you have to prepare. You must know what is atomic mass, relative atomic mass, what is relative molecular mass, what is relation between vapor density and molecular mass. 2 into vapor density equal to molecular mass. But proof of this relation is not there in your syllabus. It's a derivation, proof is not required. Why is, how it is 2 into vapor density equal to molecular mass of that substance, it is not there in your syllabus. Only relation remember. Second point is calculation of empirical and molecular formula from percentage composition of compound and from the masses of the combining element. From these you will calculate, you will do numericals in which you will calculate empirical formula and molecular formula. Then what is empirical formula, what is molecular formula, what is difference of these two, that I will tell you, that is in your syllabus. You prepare, you will get these things in your video tutorial. Now, another chapter is there, electrolysis, chapter number 6. There is no change. You have to study that electrolysis full chapter according to the syllabus given. And metallurgy, no change. You will prepare everything in this. And study of compounds like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, ammonia, up to chapter number 11. All that, there is no change. You will prepare as it was before. Organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, there are 6 parts. Number A, introduction to organic chemistry. You will prepare this. Unique nature of carbon, tetravalency, all that. Now, structure and isomerism, like chain isomerism, that I will tell you, you will prepare this. Third part, homologous series. Homologous series you have to study. Here I have written in red color, simple nomenclature of hydrocarbon with simple functional group, double bond, triple bond, aldehydic, alcoholic and carboxylic group, trivial and IUPAC name. You will study. Here alcoholic and carboxylic functional group is there, that you must know about what is a functional group of alcohol, that I will give you. What are functional groups of these alcoholic, carboxylic or aldehydic compound? What is the function? What are functional groups? That you will get, that you have to prepare. But a separate chapter, like after this, here was number A, alkane. Alkane, a separate chapter given there, subdivision, you will prepare completely. Alkene number B, you will prepare completely, nomenclature, preparation, property, uses, that. But number C, alkyne, you will prepare, and alcohol is not there. Last two, number D, number E, alcohol means which part is not there? Separate part means preparation, properties, uses, that is not there. Here carboxylic acid, like its properties, uses, all that in that separate subdivision, this is also removed from your syllabus. Then alcohol and carboxylic acid, here number D and E is completely removed. I hope now your confusion is completely removed and you have understood this. That's all about your syllabus related to chemistry for 2021, and this is the reduced syllabus. Thank you.